Hey my friends, we're back. We're going to be working on that Jiffy ice auger. I'm going to work on the carb, and I don't know, probably just the carb tonight, maybe the gearbox, so I'll let you have a little look. Here's the gearbox. My fucking bench is a mess. Here's my gearbox, and yeah, we're going to take this guy apart. So let me put everything up on the workbench and get the camera and the tripod, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, I got it set up the best way I can. Maybe, I don't know. Hopefully I can stay in this area and not veer too much off. But, okay. First things first. Ooh. These are little fanty panters, eh? These are the fanty panters. Okay. Let me grab the appropriate equipment. Alright, I think I got everything I need. Just a little show and tell here, boys. The snap-on ratcheting screwdriver. Wow. Best couple $100 I spent. I think I spent like 20, something like that. Anyway, best screwdriver I've ever owned. Alright, we got some bits. Let's see what we can do. They seem too small, but was it this one? Oh, for ya, piece piss. Okay. Yeah, I cut myself the other day welding at work. And I'll just leave everything on the paper towel, right? That never goes bad. Let me struggling goof garage. Wonder what kind of shape this is going to be in. I bet you're pretty decent. You know, for the amount these get used, right? So that's why we're not going to get too carried away with this, because, you know, probably runs maybe, you know, it's probably ran a total of 2 hours the whole lifespan. So, if that, right? You can only drill so many holes. Well, not too bad. And clean. Yeah, so we can get this off decently without tearing the heck out of it. Well, it's really going to be stubborn. Hey, why wouldn't it be? It sounds good too. Okay, I'm just going to mess with this for a minute. This is maybe a razor blade or something. Hold on. This is not always advised, because you rip the gasket itself, right? I'm not actually cutting it, I'm just using the grip, the edge of the blade to push up on it. Ah, see? There we go. We already need a kit. For freak sacks. No good! Little piece go. It's like it's glued on there. Holy cow. It definitely needs a new kit. This seems decent, but Oh. Oh yeah. Yeah, there's your jet right there. I do believe. Welch plug. What's under that Welch plug? And I'll take the air screw out. Or the high and low screw, I guess they're called on these. Come on. Pretty damn sure these just slide off. I could be wrong. But I'm not. Now let's hope we can find that screw cap. What I think is going to have to happen with this is make a little parts list. We'll need that spring. I'm going to price out this housing. You can't see it, it's off camera. That's broken. And yeah, I'll just order all the parts because I need the kit, obviously. I could get it to work probably. I might even have another gasket out of another saw. I don't know if they'll be the same size or not. Who knows, I might even be able to throw another carb on there. Nah. Alright, let's take these screws out. This will fit in there. Oh. So you want to turn them in and count the screws. Oh, that is all the way in. Wow. I'm surprised this even ran. Regardless, we'll dial it in ourselves, after. Different. One side. Hopefully, this guy isn't longer. And yes, we did not count the turns because obviously we're going to have to reset it anyway, right? So I'll start at probably a half or one. Let's see something here. Are they different? Yes, they are. So remember this guy, the pointier one, goes in this hole. The pointier one. But I want to look under the magnifying glass. Where is it here? The magnifying glass, because this one's right dulled out. I don't know if it's just dicked. Like maybe the whole carb's dicked because they screwed this one in too hard. I don't think so. No, they are different screws, but still, that should be pointy. From my knowledge, from the ones I've done, right? Which isn't very many, but yeah, you guys remembered where that one went, eh? Oh, well, I'll leave this guy in just for now. I'm going to tear this down a little bit more. Oops, that's good for it, eh? Now, where did those O-rings come from? Those washers. Blink. Blink. I might have to look. Oh, I bet you from inside there, eh? One in each. I'll just double check out my video after, I guess. Oh yeah, why would these ones want to come off? Come on. There it is. Constant pressure. You don't want to break anything, right? For the most part, everything looks pretty clean. That gasket looks like it might have been dicked right from the get-go. Doesn't really do anything. Alright, there's your chokey poo. And I do believe that's your throttle, huh? We got choke. And we got throttle. Okay, that'll be attached to that lever, I do believe. And then that'll, no. I don't know. We'll have to look that drawing up to see. You know what, I'm going to pull that out. Alright. Seems to be a 7 though. Find out, I guess. Probably never even ever been out of there. Wow. That's super tight. I don't even know if that should come out. That's it. Wow, is that ever a tiny needle? Huh. Decent. Keep all this together. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward little carb. They all work the same, right? They all do the same thing. And everything's, I'm not going to take this off. I'm not going to take that off. I'd like to take that off of there. I don't think it's really anything. That's your idle circuit. Well, I think I'm just going to leave it here. This video's already going to be a little long. I'm going to order my parts for all this. I'm going to put it all in a nice container. When I get my parts off camera, I'm going to clean this because you don't need to see how you clean a carb. You've seen that before, right? Several methods. I like to just go over everything with like brake clean or whatever, nice, and brushes and picks and toothpicks, whatever you got, right? Whatever works. Yeah, like this, you got to make sure all this kind of stuff's nice and clean. That's about it. And yeah, I'll see about that carb kit. I'll see if I can find another gasket for it. I probably got one. I'll have to double check, but no. Okay. Anyway, if you found this video on this Jiffy ice auger informative, make sure you subscribe, like, and share. You know, it helps me out. Okay, anyway, Scott to Scott, Struggling Goof Garage. Have a good night.